Need I say more? I don't think I need to. Somehow, some way, I found this new pack. This is the Liberty Walk R34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. I just call it the Liberty Walk R34 with the carry-on. This is a Hot Wheels Team Transport Fast and Furious set. And before I open it, which I am going to do, I thought I'd give some background. I don't know if this is actually helpful. I don't think it is. And the reason why is because this is a Target exclusive Team Transport set. Anything store exclusive tends to be more sought after. It's exclusive. It's harder to find because you can only find it in one place. Especially nowadays with the current collector sphere, things tend to be really hard to find in the wild. And this is proving to be pretty hard to find because they're only one per case. These Fast and Furious Team Transport sets, it's one per case mixed in with some regular mix of Team Transport. It's the mix of the Rover, the Alpha, and the new like Chevy hauler with the Impala on it. It's in that mix, except this pack replaces one of the extra Chevy packs. That's proving to be it is proving to be pretty hard to find this pack as I stumble over my own words. Stores are getting maybe 1 to 2 of these, like per store. It depends how many cases they get. But if you do get a case, you only get 1 pack. I was lucky enough to hit my local Target this morning and they actually got it. And I was really surprised because I did not think I would find this. So, yeah, let's crack it open. I don't care. We're cracking this sucker open. I already checked the eBay prices. I think these are around 70 to 80 bucks, like for buy it nows on eBay. So, yeah, here we go. Let's start with the more, I guess, uninteresting part, the Team Transporter. I brought out the red version of this Racer's Edge Transporter. This came out in a 2020 Car Culture box set, or premium box set. And from what I can tell, this one is exactly the same as this one, except... Is it the same? Man, let me look at the lettering on the side. Yeah. It's all the same. They're the same, except this one is blue, and this one is red. So it's literally a recolor. Oh, there's like flies and stuff buzzing around me. Are these mosquitoes? I don't know. I think mosquitoes are trying to eat me alive right now as I do this video. I actually think that's what they are. I was like, okay. This is getting kind of ridiculous. I'm trying to film. There's like mosquitoes at my legs. We'll muscle through though. We'll muscle through. I'm gonna be really itchy after this video though. But yeah, this is getting bad. Good Lord. This is fun. Anyway, just for the details, so all that stuff on the side. It's the same as this one, but like I said, the cab is blue instead of red. So do you take the red pill or the blue pill? Which one? I don't know. I have both though. That is not why we have this pack. The main reason is, yeah, this guy. So obviously this deco is based on, well, it is the R34 not Team Transport, the R34 Skyline from Fast and Furious. I don't know who drives it. I haven't watched Fast and Furious. I forget whose this actually is, but this is the normal, I guess you could say normal version. They're actually doing a Supra with this livery in a Fast and Furious mix later this year, which actually was originally like an April Fool's joke done by T-Hunt, and it became a reality, which is crazy. And then they also have put that deco on a Hakoska for like the fast rewind. But the actual casting is this, the Liberty Walk R34. They've done several versions of this. There was this Car Culture version for Mountain Drifters, which got a chase. There was a Team Transport version, a Boulevard version. There may even be one more I'm forgetting. I don't know. But, yeah, let's just look at this. So, it is sporting the 5-spoke Real Riders. It has the stripe on the side. Sorry, there's still mosquitoes down here. This is not fun. Here's the front with all the graphics up there, just kind of headlights, grill, all that stuff. And the other side is the same deco that was on that side. There's the back with the, is that a Florida license plate? I think it's a Florida license plate. The wing on the top is printed in blue, and you have the middle stripe going down the hood, and black window trim. So, yeah. Here it is again. Take a quick look at it. Try to get my ugly fingers out of the way, but there it is. Not much to say about it other than it's a Liberty Walk Skyline with Fast and Furious deco, and it is proving to be, like I said, quite sought after and collectible. And yeah, here's the comparison. So the license plate's different on this guy than this guy. A little interesting note. And it also says Toyo tires in the back, which it does not say on the R34. Here's the hood. Just trying to get some comparisons. But yeah, kind of want to talk about this because a lot of people, when they first saw it, they're like, is this real? What the heck? And then it became a store exclusive, and people are like, also, what the heck? Because, yeah, why? People are thinking like, oh, Hot Wheels is milking the Fast and Furious cow dry, and some of these releases are interesting. I think this is very interesting because, you know, they're taking the Fast and Furious deco, they're putting it on a popular Skyline casting and something that's new and fresh and hype, making it store exclusive, and it kind of adds a whole nother like lure to it. And yeah, this pack has created so much hype. What do I think about it though? I really don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. I collect Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium, and do I like this? I don't really know. It is kind of cool. I don't know. There's something about it that it just looks kind of cool. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I know this has been a very hot topic in the Hot Wheels sphere, and yeah, Hot Wheels, Liberty Walk, Fast and Furious. Let me know. What do you guys think? And yeah, that's the model. That's all I really have to say about this. See ya.